These glasses, face value, they don't really look like much, but they have a camera and it also has a light. I think I found the perfect solution for BTS content, and that is through the Ray-Ban Wayfarer Meta glasses. I've had these glasses for a little while. Now, the best thing about these glasses is that it's very discreet. You can use it strictly for social. I mean, you can get away with using it for other things, but the video quality that comes from it, it's best if it's used for social. Now, it has a 12 megapixel camera, which is very good, and it also has a light so that you can actually capture things in the dark, and it also allows people to notice that you're actually recording something if they're not being told. So for the privacy of others, it gives you a notification on the glasses. These are the plain glasses. It has a little blue tint to it, but it comes in shades, it comes in different colors. You can use green, different colors on there as well. Also comes with a charging case where you can actually use, I think it gives you about 8 charges, so it's about maybe anywhere from 28 to about 32 hours of charging if you use the case. And since you're carrying the glasses with you all around, every time you use it, you put it back, it's going to charge it anyway. Like I said, I've had it for a while. I wanted to test it out. I took it with me on a couple of shoots, did some videography, did some behind the scenes, some fashion shoots. And what I've noticed is that it's very useful because not only does it not get in your way while you're shooting, you can capture up to 60 seconds of video, which is really what you need for socials, to be honest, especially for a reel, because the average reel is about 30 seconds, maybe 45 if anything. So you can capture what you need on these glasses, upload it to your social, and now you have BTS content without having to bother anybody to either hold your phone or record something, or having to put your camera someplace else where somebody might knock it over. You're getting first-person view of exactly what's going on. So I took these, like I said, on a shoot to a concert. I wanted to test out the low light capabilities of this. These glasses hold up well in low light. You can see clearly. It might have a little grain, but a little grain never hurt anyone. It captures the detail well. It also captures the sound well, and that's one key feature that I really like about these glasses, that the audio is great. You know, when you're talking, the AI hears you, and if you're playing the radio, it has a speaker that goes right over your ear. It's not too loud so that, you know, you're deafening yourself, but you can hear it, and it sounds great. Now, it comes with a package, a nice little cute case. Of course, like I said, I opened it because I had it for a while. It comes with a cute case. It comes with a QR code. It comes with the QR code that you can actually scan so you can download the app. It comes with a case. It comes with a cloth. It comes with charging cables that are also on the other side as well. It's pretty nice for the price of what you're getting it compared to the other features or other devices, I should say, such as the GoPros or even the DJI Osmos. The Osmos, the only benefit above those is because you can shoot 4K 60 and 120. But like I said, for BTS content and little things in social media, this is great. Is this the end all be all? No, but it's a good solution for those that want to capture BTS content. The resolution is very good, and it has onboard storage. Having these glasses makes you become more aware of what you're doing, because now you have the field of view that everyone is seeing. For long-term use, as far as calls or even just, like I said, jogging with it, it might drain the battery, but once again, you have a case so it can charge quickly. It doesn't seem to be a problem with you just wearing it all day. It gives you a notification as it can talk to you. Once you take it out the charger case, it tells you the battery is on 100% or 80%, whichever the case may be. So it's actually very good with those notifications. What you can use this for when you're out is live streaming. So say if you're at an event and you want to capture a moment, you can use this for live streaming, and it is good for that, because live streaming is something that most people want to do on their socials when they want to show the world what's going on at their event. They don't have time to actually drop footage into a computer and then edit it and then upload it, because by that time the moment is gone. Once again, you have the option of using your phone, but this is giving you a first-person field of view. So you don't actually have to carry your phone in your hand and then also carry a camera to try to capture what's going on because you want to see your screen. It makes your hands free, to be honest. So using the glasses is probably the best bet. Put on your glasses, you can press the button. One snap, I just took a photo, or you can actually hold it down and then it records. So you might be able to see the light that is on the frame. So when you see the light, you know that there's a recording going on. That's pretty much straightforward as how simple these glasses are to use, especially for BTS. So if you don't want to tie up your hands, you can just simply put on these glasses and everything will be fine. It's just like using your camera, except they're just on your face. It's a good solution for social media BTS content, if you ask me. So with that being said, let me know in the comment, what do you use for your BTS? Do you think that this would be a valuable purchase? Is it something that you actually currently use right now? And if so, how do you like it? Drop a comment, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to stay creative. I'll see you on the next one.